There might be certain tools you want to quickly access out. And for the same reason, you can enable the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Project. So over here for that, under the ribbon, you can go around and click on the down arrow button right here, and then click on Show Quick Access Toolbar right here. Once you do that, you do see the Quick Access Toolbar, but you don't see the tools. But you can go around and click on the Customize Toolbar Access, and you can go around and then click right here to enable out different options right here. For example, save as right here, and enable out all of the things like undo, redo that you have right here. You can also move the Quick Access Toolbar on the top right here by going around over here onto the option and by clicking on Show Above the Ribbon right here. If you want to go around and add in more features that you see in other parts of the menu right here, you can go around over here onto the Customize Quick Access Toolbar section, and then you can click on More Commands. Once you do that, you can go around and access out other commands over here, and you can see the popular commands over here that you can add in. Or you can go to a particular tab, like let's say for example Project tab, and add in, let's say for example you want to add in let's say for example clear baseline option right here. So I'm going to click on add and press OK, and you can see that right there in the Quick Access Toolbar, as you can see. So similarly, you can go around over here and then enable view and disable them as well. So if I were to go around over here, you see Gantt chart and other things right here as well. And you can click on it to disable out the other options. So let's say, for example, you want to disable this, you can go around and click on them to disable them one by one as well. If you don't want the Quick Access Toolbar, then you can simply click on Hide Quick Access Toolbar and it'll be hidden just like before. And that is how you can work around with the Quick Access Toolbar to get quick access to different tools inside of Microsoft Project for a faster workflow. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.